Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we're diving into a game-changing topic: how to get everything you want without hustling 24/7. Now, I know what you're thinking: wait, isn't hustling the key to success? Well, what if I told you that constantly grinding, pushing yourself to the limit every single day, isn't the only way to achieve your dreams? In fact, it might be the exact thing holding you back from living a balanced, successful life. If you're tired of the burnout culture, the constant pressure to do more, be more, and work harder, then this video is for you. I'm going to share with you some of the most effective strategies to get everything you want in life without sacrificing your mental health, energy, and happiness. So, grab a notebook, and let's get started. First things first. Let's redefine success. Society often paints success as a non-stop grind, working 12-hour days, never taking breaks, and sacrificing your well-being for the sake of achievement. But here's the truth: success isn't about how many hours you work, it's about how much value you create. Think about it: what if working less could actually help you be more successful? The key to this lies in working smarter, not harder. The hustle culture tells us to be busy all the time, but real success comes when we focus on the right tasks, use our energy effectively, and align our actions with our true goals. So, how do we make that shift? Let's talk about finding clarity and purpose. Before we can get everything we want, we need to know what we want. This sounds simple, but it's something most people skip: having clear, specific goals. When you're clear on your purpose, you're no longer wandering aimlessly, checking off tasks that don't serve your bigger vision. The first step is to get crystal clear on your priorities. What do you want to achieve in life? Do you want financial freedom, a fulfilling career, more time with family, or personal growth? Take a moment right now to think about your top 3 goals for the next 6 months. Once you've done that, focus only on actions that get you closer to those goals. This is where you can start working smarter. Instead of juggling endless tasks, focus on the ones that truly matter. Remember, it's not about the quantity of things you do, it's about the quality and impact of what you do. Let's talk about a game-changing principle that will revolutionize your approach to getting what you want: the 80-20 rule, or the Pareto principle. This rule states that 80% of your results come from 20% of your efforts. Let me repeat that: 80% of your success comes from just 20% of what you do. Take a look at your daily tasks. What are the 20% of activities that are driving 80% of your results? Maybe it's content creation if you're a creator, or client meetings if you're in business. Identify these high-leverage activities and focus all your energy on them. Now, this doesn't mean abandoning the other 80%. It means eliminating or delegating the low-value tasks that are draining your energy. Focus on what moves the needle the most and spend less time on the fluff. Next up, rest and recovery. I know this one is probably the hardest concept for most of us to grasp. We've been conditioned to think that resting is a waste of time, but here's the reality: without rest, you're not maximizing your potential. Think of your brain and body like a battery. If you're constantly using energy and never recharging, eventually, you'll run out of power. This is when burnout happens. So, what can you do about it? Make time for intentional rest. This includes sleep, but also activities like meditation, reading, or spending time outdoors. Studies show that people who take regular breaks, go on vacations, or simply allow themselves downtime are more productive and creative in the long run. It's not about working harder, it's about being strategic and giving yourself the space to recharge. When you do this, your energy and focus are maximized when you're actually working. Let's be real: there's only so much time in a day. If you want to get everything you want without hustling non-stop, you've got to learn how to delegate. This is one of the biggest secrets to achieving more with less effort. You don't have to do everything yourself. Whether it's hiring a virtual assistant, outsourcing tasks, or even asking for help from friends or colleagues, delegating is key. If you can delegate tasks that aren't in your zone of genius, you free up time and energy for the things that matter most. And when you focus on what only you can do, like creating your art, building relationships, or coming up with new ideas, success will follow. Now, let's talk about one of the most important factors in this entire equation: mindset. To get everything you want without hustling, you need to trust the process. This means letting go of the constant need for instant results and trusting that your efforts, when aligned with your purpose, will pay off in time. You have to cultivate patience and faith in your journey. Start focusing on progress, not perfection. It's easy to get discouraged when things aren't moving as fast as we want them to. But remember, slow and steady wins the race. The most successful people didn't get there by constantly grinding, they got there by staying focused, working smart, and trusting that everything would fall into place when the time was right. So, there you have it: how to get everything you want without hustling 24/7. It's all about working smarter, not harder, aligning your actions with your true purpose, taking time to rest and recover, delegating tasks that don't serve you, and trusting the process. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with anyone who needs to hear this message. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What's one thing you're going to do today to start working smarter, not harder? Remember, you don't have to hustle 24/7 to be successful. Sometimes, less is more, and balance is key. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.